Hey, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're looking at double deep nuke right now, and they're coming in and out of their little hole here that when I was going to separate the box, but anyway, wound up with a little hole in there. They're coming in down here, and what we're probably going to do is flip the boxes here. We're having some bodaciously beautiful weather right now. A little windy, but we call that life. Take their feeder thing off here. They're not eating any more sugar water. I mean any dry sugar, let's put it that way. They've eaten all their pollen, so I'm sure they need some more, and we're going to feed them. A little bit of pollen on my tool right here. That's the J-hook tool, by the way. That's the one I like. Some people say cut yourself with it. Well, you can cut yourself with anything, but that's okay. That's why they make so many different ones. Let me put my glasses on. That's a heavy frame right there. I don't have to. There we go. That's a heavy frame right there. And they're gentle. At this point, pretty day, they kind of like anybody else. If it's a pretty day, they're okay. Okay, that frame there has pollen and nectar on both sides, no eggs. We're going to put it right here. We'll work this one from the side. Okay, this one here is filled with brood and eggs and larvae. It has some nectar on it. You know, if there's nectar out there, the bees are going to find it. That side there is the same way. Don't see any queen. This is all brood, eggs, larvae. This is nectar over here, nectar here, a little bit of pollen in here. There's eggs and larvae over here. So we will probably be putting her on the bottom. That way she can come up to the top, which is the bottom now, but it'll be the top. She can start laying more. Make her happy. This one here has brood, same thing as the last frame. We could be making splits with that, but that's just like the last frame. So see, she needs more room, and she'll go up quicker than she'll go down. So we're going to put the other frame, another one, same way. Eggs, blue, pollen, has more pollen on it. That's that one, both sides. You know, if there's anything that y'all would like to see y'all could ask me and we'll see what we can do about it. I wanted to make some video on making queens a different way. People that just wanted 4 or 5 or 6. That one, that's a little queen cup, nothing in it, no bugs, but it's all stores. So they're doing okay. They're good for a while. That one back. But that didn't see the queen. She may be already in the bottom. She is. Just leave it. There we go, that one turned wrong. Well, you know, see, I got the tops of mine marked. These built the frames this way, they're doing great, so I don't want to mess them up. So we'll take them and stick them over here. Small cell, not small cell, but my average cell for my bees. This one here is the same way. Nothing in there at all. Good. Another one, nothing on it. And we didn't see the queen in the top, but tried to get it. Didn't see a queen in the top. We saw eggs, we saw larvae, we saw brood. There's nothing here, so what we're going to do, push all that over. That one back in there. Take them off of this bottom. Put them over here. Bottom is real clean. Got a couple pieces of pine straw. Couple pieces of pine straw, no bugs. So we're going to put the queen down here. People, you can't save all the bees. Like kids, get too many kids out there, somebody's going to get hurt, put them in the road. So we're going to put them there. We're going to get their pollen. Put pollen on it so they can raise more bees and feed them. I'm going to take what was the bottom. Going to take what was the bottom and put it on the top. Yes, I built these boxes, so I built them a little bit bigger or wider, so they got more room, they don't get all squished up. We're gonna put that there. You know, if they don't need the pollen, they won't eat it. If you put, to me, now this is all my opinion, if you put big slabs of pollen on it like a lot of people, you just got a bunch of beetles that's going to come in, I think. That there. I'm going to go get a feeder ring. Feeder ring. I have a feeder ring over here. I'll be back. Okay, we're back. Had to go get the feeder. These are new style feeders. Yeah. Don't know if you can tell what they are or not, but that's them. We're gonna try them out. Bottles that can hold a little bit more. And I think they'll hold the grass a little bit, I mean the pine straw a little bit better. Answer your phone! That for them. That way we can use these little feeders for nukes and stuff. So that's it. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Hope y'all enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up. Tell us what you think of this. See, they still have their little hole here. They just a different little hole. This one was here and this one was here. But anyway, give them a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. And we'll see how they're doing in the top in about a week. Y'all have a great one. Bye.